Finally, T. T is for talking. We have covered 5 very powerful stage presence tools, and we haven't even mentioned using our voice until now. Talking is, of course, the #1 way that we can connect with our audience. We're going to cover 3 different parts of talking. First, our volume, then our speed, and then our tone. Think of volume as 3 settings on your dial. You can go loud for obvious reasons. It's important sometimes to make a big point. You can go soft. Going soft can make a big difference for an audience when you bring them into you. And finally, you can even whisper, Michael, pay attention. That still sticks with me to this day. Think of volume that way. Use different levels of volume to make your voice connect with the audience and take up space. Speed is also important. Most of us will fall into either fast talkers or slow talkers. I get excited, I get passionate, I talk too fast. So I keep working on that. Preparation is the key. The more that you know your content, the more that you can be aware of what you're doing and slow yourself down. Slow talking, speaking slowly, is taking up space. I'm taking up your time as I speak slowly. So work on speaking more slowly for emphasis. I hope you enjoyed that free lesson from my 2017 e-course. Today, I still teach groups and leaders how to present well. If that's you, if you really need to know how to present well, reach out. I'd love to help.